Hi guys, my name is Idas.
Hey, in our short stay business, we do about £120,000 a year. And this building behind us, just this one here, we do between £18,000 and £20,000 a month alone just from this one here. So let's go inside and take a look.
Come on through, guys. We are in one of the 8 apartments within this development, and they're all very spacious, 1-bedroom apartments. We actually also have a 2-bedroom coach house at the back of the car parking lot. Now, as you can see, these are all very simple but elegant 1-bedroom apartments. And you know, the very interesting thing is actually how easy it was for us to find that, and I'll share with you that in a moment. As you can see, it's a nice, simple, tastefully done apartment, and it's exactly what our clients want. So predominantly in this area, we target our corporate clients. And you know, regardless, we still have managed to spend nearly £40,000 in setup costs. So our team has actually redecorated all of the apartments. We have, fitted all new furniture throughout. And one of the key elements in this business for us is automation and systems and safety. So this is where a bulk of the cost went to. So we've got smart Wi-Fi systems, a commercial grade. We've got smart locks and CCTV for security, because it's our corporate clients. We want to emphasize the security for them. So I think we've got nearly 18 cameras along the side covering the perimeter. And, it's been working really well for this client. And, I'll let my business partner explain exactly how we found this in a moment.
This particular room has got 3 beds in it. The shape of the rooms determine how many beds we put in. Some have got 3, some have got 2 in, some have got double beds in them as well. Now, this particular building, it was already used as service accommodation prior to us taking it on. So the landlord that owns the property really wasn't very happy with the previous arrangement and how that was being operated. So the person that bought the deal to us, Idas mentioned, it was really simple and straightforward. That's because when she got in touch with us, she knew what we already did. There was some credibility on track record. So there's some understanding and trust that we're going to be able to deliver on what we say. So when we had a look at it, Idas came to have a look at it and said, perfect, works for us, right location. We have other properties in this area. So we knew that we could make this really work well for us. And we were able to secure a deal to lease the property for 5 years. Now, as I mentioned earlier on, this generates between about £18,000 and £20,000 a month for us, but it's not the fact that it makes that much money, it's how much net profit we actually make. And we have about 50 plus units in our portfolio. And for us, it's not really the number of units that's important. Sometimes people talk about they've got 50, 80, 100, 200 units, and that's fantastic. For us, the thing that's more important is that it's run really well, it's automated, and we don't actually have to be there. I'd just touch on the fact that we run a very automated and systemized business. There's nobody here on site, it all runs in a digital way, and that's the thing that's key for us. So that increases our profitability and reduces our costs. So this particular site generates us between £18,000 and £20,000 a month. However, it's not how much it generates that's important, it's the amount of money that end up in your pocket as profit that's the key thing. So let's talk about some of the costs on this. On this site, we pay the landlord £7,600 a month to lease the building. We've got a 5-year arrangement on that. And then our running costs vary between about 5, 6, sometimes a little bit more, £1,000 a month. And that's for the operational costs such as your heating, lighting, business rates, etc. But also, it will depend on the occupancy level, the number of changes that we have, i.e. nightly overall changes we have in the number of people staying here. And what that then leaves us about £5,000, sometimes £6,000 a month net profit. And that's a number that's key.